These are the elevators at Wegmans on Sheridan Drive in Williamsville, New York. Schindler HT. Yep. They much as redid the cabs even. Here's this one.
This one. Oh, here's one.
I'm sure.
Oh, we got the sound.
Alright. That's a silent low chime.
Well, it broke.
It won't broke even. Went out to 1.
Yeah. Must have. Yeah, it did break. They don't just.
Uh-huh.
Because the other one works.
Yeah, we all know. Schindler logo. 2,500 pound capacity. And I'll switch the button go out.
Can I set back up to 2?
Sure.
I'll do it.
2. And we'll get a cab view going up. Just watch the indicator change. This really is a nice cab, Brian.
Yeah, I'm gonna send this down in advance so we can.
Okay. We'll send that down to 1.
Alright.
Here's this one. See if we can get this one. Just have to wait.
But this was installed on
That was installed.
October 13th, 2000.
It is in 2002. That's from October 13th, 2002. These are installed in 2002. These are with Schindler. Here's this one. Going down.
This one
Good on
chime
one.
still works.
Chime still works even, yes.
I think I know why.
Same as the other car's 2,500 pound capacity and a Schindler logo.
I think I know why I think they're still low pitched, because I think I saw an Otis truck here one day,
Uh-huh.
and if Schindler had maintained these,
We'll go up to 2 again.
yeah, so
Yeah.
it's been upgraded.
Yeah, it's been upgraded as well, too.
Alright, let's listen to more.
Alright, listen more. Let's get a cab view. This really is a nice elevator.
Yeah.
And we'll go down to 1.
Okay.
Just watch the button go out. Now it's going to rain on both times. There goes that one, so that is it.